Why do many Pakistani students learn English language for 10 to 12 years, yet many still cannot speak English language? Why? Is the problem vocabulary or grammar or something else? In this video, we are going to talk about 5 biggest mistakes that most students make. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome back to Let's Improve Together. As you know that my name is Gulhasan. So in this video we are going to talk about 5 biggest problems that many students make that become the cause of stopping them from speaking English language. Let's get started with first mistake. Our first biggest problem is our system. Yes, in many schools and colleges, English taught to complete the exams, not to communicate. Yes, in our schools and colleges, we learn English as a subject. In reality, it shouldn't be. Because English is not a subject, it's a skill and it's a language. We learn grammars, we remember rules, we memorize essays, everything we do, but one thing we cannot do in schools, that is speak English. We don't practice English language, that's why we are backward in speaking English language. So my friends, let's move to the second biggest mistake. That is focusing on just grammar. It is one of the biggest cause that we cannot speak English language in 10 to 12 years because we just focus on grammar, don't on speak English language. We don't practice, we just remember rules, and causes of rarely practicing, we also forget those rules. Grammar is important, but speaking is also important. Grammar helps us to speak correctly, but speaking helps us to become fluent. Let's move to the third biggest mistake. That is, we don't start from basic. We learn from advanced level. That's why when we don't clear our basics, we feel a lot of problems in speaking and grammar and other things. That's why we should start from the basic to cover all the things from basic to advanced level. Let's move to the fourth and biggest mistake. That is, we first translate in our native language, then try to translate in the English language. That is the biggest problem because in our schools we don't practice English language. Our mind become habitual of thinking in our native language. That's why if someone is asking question, first we think in Urdu language, then try to translate it in the English. Then we feel distraction and confused while translating. That's why if someone is asking question, always think in English language. Don't try to translate. When you will try to think in English language, you will get more and more ideas in the English language. It will help you to improve your English language and help you to learn much faster. So my friends, in the last, that is the fifth biggest mistake, that is don't practice every day. Unfortunately, I have to say that we are comfortable students of this era because we don't want to do something uncomfortable. We always want comfortable life as a student. So practice is most important. English is a skill and a skill needs daily practice. Otherwise, we will lose it. So daily practice is most important. It's 20 to 30 minutes every day related to speaking, writing, or learning English language. So practice every day and you will get a lot of benefits. So my friends, try to remove these mistakes while learning English language and you will get a lot of benefits. And please practice regularly for speaking English language. And you can see that in the Pakistan in competitive exams, most of the students fail because of English language in the English essay and the English speaking. If you have a big goal, then you have to focus on English language from now. If you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.